Today's video is about a magical anti-aging mask. It fights wrinkles and makes your skin look younger, more vibrant, and more beautiful. Remember that with great skin also comes a great complexion that allows you to be as happy as you look. Let's get started on this magical anti-aging face mask. Take 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. Fenugreek seeds have anti-aging properties that help in tightening, firming, and rejuvenating your skin. 2 tablespoons of raw milk. Raw milk contains vitamins and minerals that hydrate, nourish, and moisturize your skin. It also helps to improve your complexion. 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey gives you a dewy glow to your skin. Mix them well to make a paste. Apply it to your face and neck and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with normal water. You will notice plump and hydrated skin with the very first application of this mask. For better results, use this mask thrice a week.